Tiniyak ni Pangulong Aquino ang pagtutok sa mga reforma sa nalalabing panahon ng kanyang termino. Kaya naman muling tumanggi ang Pangulo na pangalanan ang napipisil niya para sa 2016 presidential elections. Kasabay nito ay hinikayat ng Pangulong Aquino ang mga kritiko na kasuhan ang sinumang kaalyadong nasasangkot sa anomalya kung may sapat na batayan anya sa mga akusasyon. Muli nagbabalik si Rocky Ignacio.
Kinawal ngayon ni Pangulo Aquino ang kanyang mga kritiko na kasuhan na umano'y sinumang kaalyado ng administrasyon na sangkot sa anomalya. Sa harap ng mga estudyante ng John F. Kennedy School of Government sa Harvard University, sinabi ng Pangulo na kung may sapat na batayan ng akusasyon ay dapat kasuhan na umano'y mga kaalyado na abusado. Nagsalita ang Pangulo sa tanong na tila hindi pansin na ilang kaalyado ang isinusulong na tuwid na daan ni Pangulong Aquino.
Well, the courts are open. If they think that I have dishonest people around me, then all they have to do is file appropriate case. The Ombudsman in particular, I think, even investigates instances where complaints are unsigned or anonymous, precisely to ferret out those who are not treading the correct path.
May halos 2 taon na lamang sa pwesto si Pangulong Aquino pero muli itong tumanggi kung may napisil na siya para sa 2016 presidential elections. Ayon sa kanya, gugugulin niyang nalalabing termino na maipamana sa susunod na liderato ang mahusay at maunlad na Pilipinas.
As to naming who I think would be a good successor, I really believe we have a lot of material in the country. But if I were to mention them now, then I'm sure you can you can imagine the repercussions back home as media friends. And perhaps, as I keep saying, now is not the time. I still have about a year and 9 months to go. And if we are concentrated if we are all concentrated on just the next elections rather than doing the things that we have to do now, we shouldn't allow the distraction of the election to interfere with our obligations to our people.
Kabilang ang pangalan ni Vice President Jojo Marbinay na nagpahayag ng interes sa 2016 presidential elections. Pero kaakibat ng usapang eleksyon ay ang sinusulong na anti-political dynasty.
To forestall the possibility that there will be abusive situations, then perhaps we should make sure that at some point in time, perhaps after the term limits, then there is a whole new set who will be bringing in ideas that hopefully will build upon that which was already developed. At the end of the day, yung new blood does bring new ideas, new methodologies, new energies that perhaps can improve on that which was already set.
Para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan, Rocky Ignacio, Boston, Massachusetts.